All right. Hello, hi Vihu Gupta Waves. Hello, so Manthan Collection. Hello, Rishit. Hi, good morning. Hi, hello, how are you? This is wonderful. Welcome, Mind Benders. Thiru, Vansh Latia. Hello, good morning. Hets Manthan, hello. Hi. Here we are on a Saturday. Yajat, good morning. Yash, Waves. Here we are on a Saturday morning. And this is 30th of January today. It is also, hello, hi Ayush, Sia, hello. So this is 30th of January today, also celebrated as Martyrs Day, or we also call it Shaheed Divas. So Gaurav, hi, hello, Manan, hello, Waves. This day has been chosen to honor our brave warriors. Okay, brave warriors who have laid down their life for our country. Hello, hi, Shannon, for the country. So indeed, hello, good morning, Anya. So this day is quite special to be celebrated, right? So this is 30th of January that we're talking about. Hello to everyone. Anya, good morning. Hello. Now please don't mind if I happen to not call your names because it keeps moving. So you're all welcomed here at Mindbenders. Hello, hi Namita, good morning Namita. Hello, hi Pratik, Waves. So today we will battle it out with yet another topic. So hello, hi Shruti Lat, Waves. And do you know what the topic is? Anyone? Hello, hi Shweta. Yes, Gaurav. What is the topic for today? Anyone else who wants to answer this? Hi, Vansh Latia. So, the topic for today's quiz is cricket ke superstars. Right? As we know, hi Mahiman, as we know that cricket is the most popular sport in India by far and is played almost everywhere. Now, so let's cricket mein superstars. Yeah, cricket ke superstars. Correct, Anya. So let's witness some mind-boggling dhamal in today's quiz. What say, guys? Yajat K. Yes, it was K. It's okay. Cricket K superstars. Because I know you will all do a fab job at answering all the questions today. But you know where the trick lies. Yes, it's cricket. But the trick is in answering the questions first and correctly. Correct? And I am sure that you know that only after I finish reading the question will you answer. Otherwise, those answers will not be considered. So I hope you understand that you have to answer only after I finish the question. Yes? So moving quickly to the rules of the quiz, which you already know, but this is for the new mind benders who have joined in. Okay, so the rules are, I don't play cricket, so might be difficult for me. Oh, but give it a try. Glad you are here. So Waves, Darshan, Nikhil. Waves, hi Prisha. Same, okay, but then you should give it a try, right? It's really important to participate. Okay, so moving quickly to the rules. Hello, hi Sid, Waves. There will be 15 questions. Lavisha, hi. Hello, Hriday. So there will be 15 questions asked and each question will have 4 options. Okay, and you will get 15 seconds to answer. All you need to do is write down your question number and option number. Okay, question number and option number. Kindly don't write the answers. You know it, how it works. Hello, hi, Waves, Aisha. No, Mr. Aisha, yes. Sorry if I'm getting it wrong. Okay, so there will be 3 winners who will win amazing Amazon gift vouchers. Now that's interesting. Kushal, hello, hi. And the names will be posted on the same page tomorrow. Okay, now we will have to wait just a little while before we start so that all the mind benders join in. Okay, but before that, and today we're going to have oodles of fun. We're going to have a lot of fun. Heads, hello, hi. So tell me, did you all get your friends along today? to make this quiz even more interesting? Who did that? Did you all call your friends also to join in the quiz and make it even more interesting and exciting? Did anyone do that? Dhruv, Dharmesh, hi, waves to you too. Hello, hi, Sia. Waves. Hello, hi. Vihan Gupta is saying yes, I think he did it. He called us friends. So yeah, I hope that everyone's doing that. Sam, Wedge, Jane. I think this is Samay, right? Okay, this is just wonderful. Happy to connect to all of you. Ready to rock it and play this fun, spectacular, breathtaking, knowledge se bharpoor game, Mind Benders 2020-2021 Insta Live Quiz. So, are you Mind Benders ready to play this fun quiz on Cricket Ke Superstars? Hello, hi, Pooja, Waves. Are you all ready to play and rock and roll with this quiz? If yes, then give me a thumbs up. Come on everyone, thumbs up. Okay, it's Sam Wedge. Come on, thumbs up for those who are ready. Yes, Prisha saying yes, but thumbs up. Come on everyone, everyone's ready. I'm ready. Okay, great. Yajat, yes. Shweta is giving a thumbs up, great. Alright then. Yay, lots of thumbs up coming our way. Great. Let's start. So let the cricket fun begin and cricket fever begin. What say guys? Let's start. So here is question number 1 for all of you. Okay, yes, thumbs up, many thumbs up coming our way. Okay, let's start with the first question. The question says, what does LBW stand for? Option number 1, long ball wide. Option number 2, leg beyond width. Option number 3, leg before wicket. Option number 4, leg behind wicket. Okay, I'm repeating the question again. What does LBW stand for? Option 1, long ball wide. Option 2, leg beyond width. Option 3, leg before wicket. Option 4, leg behind wicket. Okay, yes, very good. This is amazing. Good going, guys. Okay, someone has answered it wrong. Only an option is given. No, you have to write the question number and option number. So you will say question 1. So 1 and whatever your option is, okay? Don't do it wrong because that will not be considered. Great. Bravo, everyone. This is so good. Good going. This is just wonderful. Great. Okay. Time's up for this question. Over to question number 2 now. Please don't forget to write question number and then option number. Okay. Don't forget that. Fine. We move on to the next question. The question says, who did England beat in the final of the 2019 Cricket World Cup? Option 1, Australia. Option 2, Sri Lanka. Option 3, New Zealand. And option 4, Belarus. Okay, I'm repeating the question again. Who did England beat in the final of 2019 Cricket World Cup? Option 1, Australia. Option 2, Sri Lanka. Option 3, New Zealand. And option 4, Belarus. Okay. Oh, lovely. Keep it up, Mind Bender. Simply amazing. Expecting more correct answers. Wow. Great. Just write the option number and the question number. That's all you need to do. Okay. Let's get cracking with the third question now. The question reads, which of these places is cricket not a popular sport? Option 1, India. Option 2, Pakistan. Option 3, West Indies. And option 4, Myanmar. I repeat the question. Which of these places is cricket not a popular sport? Option 1, India. Option 2, Pakistan. Option 3, West Indies. and option 4, Myanmar. Go for it, guys. Great going. Superb, super. Amazing job, guys. I am just amused to see how you guys are good with so many topics. Fantastic. So let's rock it with the next question now. Question number 4 comes your way. How long do test cricket matches usually go on for? Option number 1, 90 minutes. Option number 2, 6 hours. Option number 3, 3 to 5 days. And option number 4, over a week. I repeat the question. How long do test cricket matches usually go on for? Option 1, 90 minutes. Option 2, 6 hours. Option 3, 3 to 5 days. And option 4, over a week. Very good. Good going, mind benders. Y'all are doing just great. Keep rocking. Amazing. It's lovely to see all of you participate. Great. Manan, option, you've written only question for option. What is option? You have to give the answer. Okay, that's fine. This is a proper format. Great. Hi, Ojistha. Waves to you too. Hello. Welcome. Okay, let's move on to the next question now. Question number 5. Okay. What do you call a referee in cricket? What do you call a referee in cricket? Option 1, an umpire. Option 2, a cricketer. Option 3, a cricket umpire. And option 4, a vampire. I repeat the options again. Option 1, an umpire. Option 2, a cricketer. Option 3, a cricket umpire. And option 4, a vampire. A vampire these days, we have so many television series coming on the same. Very good. Good going, mind benders. Trishna, hello, waves. You all are doing just great. Keep rocking. It's really lovely. It's really great. The Josh is really high today. Man, they are answering before the options. I think not, but those who are doing, the team is taking care of it. You don't have to worry. Kalpana, you are supposed to give the question number and the option number. Otherwise, it will not be considered. So, you write question 5, option. That is A, B, C, however you want to write it. Okay, the team is taking care of all the answers. Don't worry about who's answering first or no. We are taking care. Those answers will not be considered. Okay? Great. So, let's quickly move on to the next question. That is question 6. Now, question number 6 says, the first cricketer to score hundreds in Test and ODI combined. Option number 1, Rahul Dravid. Option number 2, Sachin Tendulkar. Option number 3, Virat Kohli. And option number 4, MS Dhoni. I repeat the question. The first cricketer to score hundreds in Test and ODI combined. Hello, Rakhi, wave. Option 1, Rahul Dravid. Option 2, Sachin Tendulkar. Option 3, Virat Kohli. Option 4, MS Dhoni. Wow, okay, fantastic. Thanks to you guys, and I am getting to revise and learn so much more about cricket and cricketers. Hello, hi, Harshal Patel. Waves to you too. Wow, amazing. Keep going. Yes, Kalpana, this is the right way to do it. You can just write Q also. Q will also do rather than writing question. Will save your time. Great. Let's roll with question number 7 now. Are you all excited for question 7? I hope so. Okay, here goes question 7. Who was the captain of the Indian cricket team in the ICC World Cup 1983? Option 1, Sunil Gavaskar. Option 2, Kirti Azad. Option 3, Kapil Dev. Option 4, none of these. I repeat the question. Who was the captain of the Indian cricket team in the ICC World Cup 1983? Option 1, Sunil Gavaskar. Option 2, Kirti Azad. Option 3, Kapil Dev. Option 4, none of these. Hello, hi, Waves, Rudra. Welcome. So many right answers coming our way. Keep it up, mind benders. Just lovely to see you all just here and rolling it, rocking and rolling it. Great. Okay, Rudra, the way to answer is you have to write the question number and the option number. So you write question 7 and the option, okay? So that it is considered. Great going, guys. Let's roll with question number 8 now. So the question 8 says, which of the following country has hosted the ICC World Cup most of the times? Option 1, England. Option 2, India. Option 3, Australia. And option 4, West Indies. I repeat the question. Which of the following country has hosted the ICC World Cup most times? England, India, Australia or West Indies? Okay. Stupendous. Amazing. Great. Don't worry about your answers. The team is looking forward to all your answers and all your answers are visible. Okay, don't worry about that, guys. Y'all are doing a great job. Superb. You're just doing great. So many correct answers. What amazing knowledge all of you guys have. Great. Okay, now let's rock and roll with question number 9. Let's move on. So question number 9 says, which cricketer has scored the most runs at the World Cup? Option 1, Sachin Tendulkar. Option 2, Mohammad Azharuddin. Option 3, Sourav Ganguly. Option 4, Rahul Dravid. I'll repeat the question again. Which cricketer has scored the most runs at the World Cup? Sachin Tendulkar, Azharuddin, Sourav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid. Now, this one is easy. Come on, many correct answers, please. Come on, mind benders. Yes, very good. Sam, Wedge, Jane, you're not supposed to give the answer. You're supposed to give the question number and the option number if it has to be considered. I am sure you all have a lot of knowledge. But, you're giving facts here. Okay, Rohit Sharma was just close. Okay, but then who was the winner? We are asking for who has scored the most runs out of these questions, these options. Yes? Karuna Singhania, hello, waves to you too. Great. Okay, let's move on now with question number 10. Okay, what is the name given to the biennial international test cricket series played between England and Australia? Option 1, the Cricket World Cup. Option 2, the Sheffield Shield. Option 3, the Ashes. And option 4, the ODI. I repeat the question again. What is the name given to the biennial international test cricket series played between England and Australia? Option 1, the Cricket World Cup. Option 2, the Sheffield Shield. Option 3, the Ashes. And option 4, the ODI. Great, simply stunning. Oh, I am having such an amazing time with all of you here. This is just wonderful, truly. Great. The way you guys are answering the questions, amazing. Keep it up. Keep going, mind benders. Okay, let's roll now with question number 11. cricket umpires, question 11 says, cricket umpires use a large variety of signals to make sure that the correct scores are kept. What does it mean if an umpire raises both arms straight above his head? Option 1, the bowler has bowled a no ball. Option 2, the batsman is out. Option 3, the bowler has bowled a wide. And option 4, the batsman has scored 6 runs. I am sure I don't need to repeat this question. What does it mean if an umpire raises both arms straight above his head? The bowler has bowled a no ball, the batsman is out. The bowler has bowled a wide, the batsman has scored 6 runs. Come on, y'all are doing a remarkable job. Simply outstanding, great. Very easy question, yes, easy questions. There has to be easy questions also, right? If all are difficult then. Okay, great. Okay, great going. Let's move on. People are answering before the question is said out. Then I told you the team is taking care of that. Don't worry about it. You make sure that you answer on time. Right? Okay. Next question. Question number 12 now comes your way. Which cricketer has scored the most ducks at the World Cup? Option 1, Ajit Agarkar. Option 2, Shrikant. Option 3, Sachin Tendulkar. And option 4, Rupali Ganguly. Saurav Ganguly it should be, right? Okay. Which cricketer has scored the most ducks at the World Cup? First, Ajit Agarkar. 2, Shrikant. 3, Sachin Tendulkar. And 4, Saurav Ganguly. Okay. Impressive. Just superb. How are you guys doing this? Great. Amazing. This is actually, you guys are knowledge se bharpoor. I can say that for sure. Yes. Okay. Don't only give Aarti organic beauty product. Or you're not only supposed to give the option number. Choco, hello, hi, waves. You're supposed to give the question number and option number so that it can be considered. Yes, so next time, please give the question number and the option number. Fine, let's move on to question number 13 now. Tera. Okay, let's see what the question has in store for y'all. Which country has won most time Women's World Cup cricket tournament? Option 1, Australia. Option 2, England. Option 3, New Zealand. And option 4, South Africa. I repeat the question. Which country has won most time Women's World Cup cricket tournament? Option 1, Australia. 2, England. 3, New Zealand. 4, South Africa. Oh, Women's World Cup cricket. You know, it's really interesting to watch Women's World Cup cricket too. It's fun. Just like we watch our normal men's cricket. Yes. Manan has answered. Come on, more correct answers are expected. Again, Choco Charms, you're supposed to give the question number and the option number. Shruti Lad, question number, option number. So this was question 13. And then you have to give the option number. Okay, this question can be a little tricky too. But I'm sure you guys will be able to actually give the correct answers. I like the spirit here. So many people answering. Great. Now moving on to question number 14. Ma'am, I answered all the questions. Great, Manan. Mahiman, right? Great. Okay, let's move on to question number 14. How many different ways can a batsman be dismissed? Option 1, 8. Option 2, 9. Option 3, 10. And option 4, 12. I repeat the question. How many different ways can a batsman be dismissed? Option 1, 8. Option 2, 9. Option 3, 10. And option 4, 12. Whoa. That's simply fabulous. All right, mind benders. You all are doing a fantastic job. Amazing. Yes, keep going. Great. Okay, then we move on to our last question, that is question 15. And the countdown for this question begins now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And here's the question. What is the length of a cricket pitch? Option 1, 23 yards. Option 2, 22 yards. Option 3, 33 yards. Hello, waves, wave. Option 4, 43 yards. I repeat the question. What is the length of a cricket pitch? 23 yards, 22 yards, 33 yards, 43 yards. Oh, I'm enjoying here. I'm having such a great time with all you knowledge se bharpur guys. Great. Amazing. So many of you know the correct answers. It's simply amazing to know that. Fantastic job, guys. Simply superb. You all are such intelligent beings. Wow. Okay, so we are done with all the 15 questions for the day. And we have all answers from all you mind benders. Okay, and the winners will be announced tomorrow in the post. Keep checking this post. As we all know how we are fighting our way through this pandemic, and Mind Benders is just the game for you, just the place for you. Okay, see you all in the next quiz with more musti, more magic. Keep checking the page for fun riddles and dates for your next quiz. See you all. Have a great day. Take care of yourselves and your family members. And this is Prachi Shetty signing off for the day. See you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye, Manan. See you. Bye. Hi, Kritika. Waves. See you in the next quiz. Bye, Ajat. See you. Bye. Bye, Vihan. Thank you to you too. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you. See you.